Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. This HP power adapter, 65 watt adapter, its model number is HP part number L65505-001. 5 volt 3 ampere output, 9 volt 3 ampere, 12 volt 5 ampere, 15 volt 4 ampere, 20 volt 3.25 ampere. It is smart adapter. Its output is type C connector. It uses ID sense resistor to adjust the output voltage. It is not giving indication. Let's see what's wrong here. If we check its adapter condition, if we check inside, very poor condition inside. Yes. We can see the condition. I will use isopropyl alcohol, IPA. Let's check it now. Yes. क्या हाल है? ठीक ठाक हो? तशरीफ रखो. Yes, now we can see it started charging. Sometimes the fault is so simple, just we need to locate the fault. Otherwise we need to replace the charger. This corrosion, this bad deposits on inside this charger, these were making problem. Yes, it is now charging. If these bad deposits are around the ID sense pin, ID resistor pin, that time it will not allow to produce required voltage because it is smart charger. So this was the problem in this charger. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.